Computer-aided quality assurance, or QAQ, is an integral part of Industry 4.0. Currently, it is being used in many workflows for industrial machines and robots. However, manufacturing processes also include manual work that is difficult to monitor, and 100% quality assurance at such stations is impossible. With TRiMiTi, this is no longer a problem. By guiding the workers throughout all their work steps and tracking every single part from the beginning of manufacturing until the end, TRiMiTi ensures 100% process control and inline quality control for manual work. Let us take a closer look on some examples. With TRiMiTi's Screw Fastening Assistant and Assembly Assistant application, the worker gets guided through every work step and gets notified whenever he makes a mistake. With TRiMiTi's Automated Object Inspection, every part gets rechecked, and by that, TRiMiTi makes sure of every part's quality. TRiMiTi's Packaging Control assures that the right parts are in the package, and by its package tracking function, 100% traceability is given. In addition, all TRiMiTi systems communicate with each other, and TRiMiTi documents and analyzes all the relevant data and presents it in a format that can be understood by every relevant system and person. With this, TRiMiTi can minimize scrap, rework, and optimize production processes for manual work, while ensuring computer-aided quality with the assistance of artificial intelligence in industrial manufacturing processes. For more detailed information, check nexustec.de/TRiMiTi